wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Zakia Tidiartanto. I'm from 5.1. My option is 26. Today I will inform you about traditional game. I choose Surah Al-Baqarah serve 170. Dan apabila dikatakan kepada mereka, ikutilah apa yang telah diturunkan Allah. Mereka menjawab, tidak, tetapi kami hanya mengikuti apa yang telah kami dapati dari perbuatan nenek moyang kami. Apakah mereka akan mengikuti juga, walaupun nenek moyang mereka itu tidak mengetahui suatu apapun dan tidak mendapat petunjuk? This is the definition of traditional games. Traditional game is a children game that is played by two or more people who aim for entertainment in Indonesia. There are many traditional games found in various tribes in Indonesia. There are 4 popular Indonesian traditional games. There are so many traditional Indonesian games that you can find. Below are some of the most popular traditional Indonesian games that you can find these days. 1. Bentengan or board game. 2. Guessing or spinning top. 3. Kelereng or marbles. 4. Layangan or kites. The first traditional game is Bentengan. Bentengan or board game is also one of the most popular in traditional Indonesian games, especially among boys. This game focuses on strategy and agility in avoiding or catching the opponent. This game become more rarely played these days. Some people say that this game is representing the struggle of Indonesian people when fight against the colonialists in the past. On the other hand, this game is played in teams and each team consists of 4 to 5 players. Each team has its own objects such as a pole or piece of brick that need to be protected from the opponent. The second is guessing or spinning top. This game is known as spinning top in other countries. However, Indonesian spinning top or also known as guessing has quite unique characteristic compared to other types of spinning top that came from other countries. This game is usually played by boys. Originally, this game is played by using egg, but these days guessing is made of bamboo or wood. The goal of this game is spinning the guessing as long as possible. Player with guessing that is still spinning will win the game. The third traditional game is kelereng or marbles. Marbles are considered as one of the most common types of game that are played by kids a lot around the world. However, Indonesian marble might have a little bit different rules. In Indonesian, marble is called kelereng. In some regions, this game is also called gundu. This game is commonly played by boys. You need 2 players or more players to play this game. There are various types of game with various different rules that you can play using kelereng. Layangan or kites. This is the fourth game traditional game. Layangan or kite, just like marble, kite is also a common game that is played by people from all over the world. In Indonesian, this game is called layangan. Layangan is usually played by kids from rural areas where there are still many open fields. The shape of layangan may vary from simple one to more complex one. This game is also played in competition as well. The purpose of this game is to fly your kite as high as possible. Sometimes you need to fight other people's kite in this game. This is the summary of traditional game. Those are some traditional Indonesian games which still played by children, especially in rural areas. Moreover, most of them are recognized as Indonesian heritage that is existence must be kept for lasting games. Thank you for listening my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.